Okay, so this is my hair before, definitely not feeling it. Let's change it up. For the base of my hair, I'm using my 3 clip piece. Taking a comb, you can do a slight back combing. You don't need to do much because the clips are super strong, and they've also got a silicone lining to protect your natural hair, so there's no damage. I always start with the middle one first so you don't get any bubbles. You can pull this nice and tight. Clip it in. I do mine quite close together. You can also use hairspray if you want. Number 2. Now I'm using my 4 clip as I get wider around my head. And you can see I'm going quite high because I'm using a lighter extension. I want to kind of cover as much of my natural hair as possible so that I only have that very top veil and it's not going to be so obvious. I could use a darker extension, but I really want to make my hair look lighter without bleaching it. I have my 5 clip. Now, if you've had your extensions cut in by a hairdresser, which we recommend, you'll be able to see which way the shaping goes as to which side your extension should go on. This is a way that you can create your own fringe if you have breakage and fine hair like me. Okay, seriously, I'm halfway. Look at the difference from one side to the other. It's coming together. It's so easy. Okay, I've got my last piece to put in. That's insane. How could I feel so much better about my hair so fast? Wow. That's crazy. Oh my god, it's so good. That's like insanely fast.